He's played Russian roulette and got unlucky. Gone down with a boat. Drowned in a pool. Been stabbed. Been shot just outside his front door. Been in a plane crash. And in another one. And another one. Overdosed on heroin, cocaine, painkillers, sedatives, antidepressants, morphine, and tequila. He's asphyxiated himself in an intimate accident. Had heart cancer, pancreatic cancer, colon, throat, prostate, liver, and lung cancer. Choked on a cocktail cherry. Goddamn cherry. Been burned in a fire. Electrocuted in the bathtub. Fallen down the stairs. Suffocated on his own vomit. Been squashed by a hay bale. If rock hasn't died yet, it's going to live forever. Kiss FM.